Legal disclaimer: do not make this trade. Seriously, don't. This video is for educational purposes only and placed by a professional trader from Maverick Trading. Maverick Trading is sponsoring this trading experiment with a $100,000 trading account. To trade for Maverick Trading, you can submit an application for stock, option trader or currency trader from the link in the video description below.
Well, hello and welcome to trade number 63. What in the world are we doing here? You know the drill. We're making random trades with random methods, flipping coins, throwing dice, and we're saying we don't care about the entry. We think the exit is more important, and we're going to see if we can be profitable just off of exit strategies by selling losers and holding winners as long as we can. Today is Leap Day. Every 4 years, we get an extra day in February. Today's the day. So I feel like we have to make a Leap Day themed trade. Now, the first thing I thought was, well, let's go find a stock with Leap in it. So I came to TradingView and I thought, oh, let's put in Leap. And right off the top, we have Leap Therapeutics. I said, great, that looks great. Here's a problem. It is not going to fit our criteria. It is under $10 and under 1 million of volume. So we can't use Leap. There wasn't really any other choice here. Again, we gotta, it just is not going to work. Just not going to work. So I thought, why don't we just go to Google and just put in what stocks are associated with Leap Day. Associated with Leap Day. All right, so here we got some stories. Is leap year lucky for stocks? And here's another one. Is leap year lucky for stocks? Okay, let's see what it says. As we can see, it is not a good day for stocks. On average, a median fall of 0.3%. Okay, but let's go with the theme lucky. Is leap year lucky for stocks? When I saw lucky, I thought, oh, let's go and take a look and see about like casino stocks and gambling stocks. So let's use that theme of lucky and let's go find a casino stock. So I'm going to go to FinViz and I'm going to go to groups and I'm going to go to industry group. Now I already know that the casinos are in the consumer cyclical. And let's see, here we've got gambling and also resorts and casinos. So let's go to gambling first. Let's put in our criteria: stocks over 1 million and stocks over $10. All right, that gives us 2 to choose from. I'm going to go back and take a look at the casino group and see if we have more to choose from. So we're going to go. So I'm going to go back and click on the resorts and casinos. Same thing here, over 1 million, over $10. And it gives us 5. So I like this better. We have 5 to choose from. So we just now need to create a wheel, spin it from 1 to 5 and see where we land on. Here's our wheel 1 to 5. Let's give it a spin. So we're just going to go down the list. Whatever it lands on is the one we're going to go to. And that is number 4. All right, so number 4 is the choice. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. We are looking at PENN, P-E-N-N. Let's put this into a chart. And let's see what we get. All right, so here we have a stock. It has been in mostly a downtrend lately. And it's had a nice little bouncer off this bottom. Oh boy, this moving average is starting to turn, but remember, if it's still falling, we're going to go short. This hasn't stopped falling yet. Now look, I'm not crazy about going short. Like, this market is very strong right now. I am not short at all in this market, but that's not the point of this experiment. This experiment is we choose random stocks with random methods. It says we're going to do a short on PENN. So guess what we're going to do? We're going to do a short on PENN. The price is $18.42. The ATR is $1.04. 104 for the ATR. Let's go build this trade. It is February 29th, that extra day of the year. We went with the theme Lucky, we came with a casino, and we are going to be short. PENN at 1842. The ATR is $1.04, so 2x ATR is going to give us our first stop at $20.50. At this point, all we need to do is go back, get our position sizing, and then we'll go ahead and make the trade. Let's go check in on our account value. We've got 5 trades going on right now, 3 profitable, 2 unprofitable, but we're just going to let those run. Let's go get our account value. Our account value is $102,104 at the moment. We'll put that in right here, 102, 104. We're always using 1% of risk. Our entry was 1842. Our stop loss is going to be at $20.50. We're going to make these 0, hit the calculate button, and we are going to be short 491 shares of PENN. Let's go ahead and make this trade, put in the trailing stop, and we'll be done with this one. Putting in PENN as a symbol. Make sure you hit that sell button. And we're going to be short 491 shares. I'm going to put the limit just under the bid. Give us a little bit of time to get this order built. I'm going to attach that trailing stop. And remember, the trail is going to be 204. That is 2x ATR. Ooh, sorry, it's going to be 208. Bad math. 104 was the ATR. So that's 208. Look, even if you made that mistake, that is not really going to matter in this trade. It's either going to work or not based on that 2 cents. But let's go hit submit. And we'll go ahead and hit transmit. And the trade has been filled. The fill price is $18,405, so we're going to round that up to $18.41. Let's adjust the numbers and close this one out. We are short PENN 491 shares at $18.41. We got our initial stop in. If it gets to $16.33, we're going to tighten up that trailing stop. If it gets to $14.25, we're going to tighten it up again, doing the same thing every single time since we don't really know what's going to happen with the trade. Again, this is where we lie to ourselves and we think we know what's going to happen. Look, this is a game of percentages. It's a game of averages. You don't know if you are pulling a slot machine. You don't know if you're going to win on every pull. You can convince yourself you're going to win, but you're not going to win. Same thing with trading. You can convince yourself, oh, I know this because the Fibonacci sequence was hit on this retraction, and now I know it's going to go here. You don't know anything. It's just like pulling that slot machine wheel. You have no idea. The faster you can get to that point where you truly have no expectation and you understand, I need to pull that slot machine 100 times the exact same way, every single way, to make money. Now, that's a dumb analogy because the slot machines are rigged against you. We're putting odds in our favor. That's how you make money in trading. It's through consistency, not by being smart. So sit back, relax. This one either works or it doesn't, and it becomes a winner or loser in our journal. Goodbye, everyone.